Today's video going to be replacing the alternator on this 2.4 cord. The reason why is because the alternator is bad, which ended up killing the battery. But now that I got it jumped and it's running just solely off the alternator, off and on, it'll go from 14 to 12 to 14 to 12. Since it's only running off the alternator, if I put a load on it, it kills it. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the negative battery terminal. Alright, so once we get it off, I don't know if I'm gonna have to unbolt the power steering and move it out the way, or we can get it from this little gap right here, but we'll find out right now. $14mm. $10mm for the power wire. $12mm for the upper. I'm gonna leave the top bolt with a couple of threads, so when I take off the bottom ones, it doesn't just fall. Alright, so it is possible. Just gotta make sure you follow the path that you saw it come out. And it looks like it was a junkyard one, 12/24. And right now it's November on 25. So this one didn't even last a year. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. Before we bolt it up, we're going to go ahead and put the power wire, since it gives us more room instead of only having ½ inch. Torque I found online was 16 foot-pounds. Now we'll go ahead and install the battery. Alright, 14.3. So we're good on there. Now we'll load test it again. Doesn't fluctuate at all. We'll put a bigger load, we'll put the headlights on. Nothing. We're good to go. And that's how you replace an alternator on these 2.4 Accords. Hopefully this video helped y'all. Y'all have a good one.